Okay, this is a speaking spelling test program that I've written for my son. Okay, there's a choice of 180 different spellings, and it'll ask you to do 10 of them. And for each of those 180 spellings, there's a corresponding response time. So basically, it's for each spelling, it's recording how long it takes you to answer, to actually spell them out. Okay, and what it does is the next 10 spellings, it'll ask you the 10 spellings with the longest response times. In other words, the ones that you find the hardest to do. It initializes it with a response time for each spelling. It gives you 2 seconds per character. So if the spelling is like 10 letters long, that's 2 times 10. So it'll give you a response time for that particular word of 20 seconds. So that's where it starts out. And as you answer them, it'll replace those response times with the response times that it takes you to actually answer the question. So gradually, it'll build up a picture of which questions you find difficult and which ones you don't, and it'll ask you the 10 questions that you find most difficult until you master them, basically. So anyway, the Python program, there's a link to it in the description. You will need pygame and Win32.com installed to be able to run it. Okay, I'll just set it going, and it'll give you a little demonstration of it.
Your first spelling is various. Your next spelling is prettiest. Your next spelling is omission. Your next spelling is different. Your next spelling is favorite. Your next spelling is exclusion. Your next spelling is exploration. Your next spelling is courageous. Your next spelling is February. Your last spelling is conservation.
Okay, I forgot to tell you about the iScore. Basically, as you go along, it records the average of all those 180 words. It works out how many letters per hour. Basically, it adds up all the response times and divides it by basically the number of letters of all of them, and then sort of it displays it in letters per hour, and it just gives you the score as you go along, the iScore. So gradually, as you improve from 2 seconds per letter, as you improve that, as you do each word, the iScore should just keep going up and up and up until you sort of plateau, in which case it'll just give you the ones that you're having most trouble with, and you'll just start going a little bit more slowly, I suppose. Okay, and that's it. So I hope you enjoyed it, and see you in the next one. Thank you very much.